Hi guys, welcome to this video. In this video I wanted to give you some help with picking really popular Clickbank products and how to do it. So how to do it to best result in sales for you. I'm going to give you 3 different ways to do it and explain what I consider to be the best way, and it will help you if you're struggling picking a good niche, because Clickbank and the stats it gives you make it really easy. If you're interested in making money with Clickbank, do check out the link below. It will take you through to this page, and it's a free course step by step, so I can spend more time with you. It's totally free to join. It's cbprofitsacademy.com/challenge, and what it is a step-by-step challenge to get your first sale with Clickbank. Maybe you're making sales, it will show you how to make more, but it will get you going the right way. Okay, so we cover everything from picking a product to exactly how to make sales, on how to send traffic, all of that stuff, okay? Even goal setting and stuff like that. So if you're struggling with Clickbank, do opt in for it. It's totally free to join, and I think it will really help you. The address is cbprofitsacademy.com/challenge, and the link's below. So do check that out, and I want to give you some help. So when you're dealing with the Clickbank marketplace, I'll tell you the 3 ways and explain each way. There's more as well, but I'll give you the 3 main ways that you can pick a product that will convert for you, and which way I recommend doing it. So the first way is high gravity. Okay, so if we look at the Clickbank marketplace, the first way that you could go and pick a product that would work is high gravity. I'll just walk you through that, and then I'll go through the other 2. So if you go for high gravity, what it suggests is that it's making sales with affiliates. Okay, so gravity is really important number with Clickbank. Bear in mind, it won't tell you how well the sales page converts, like i.e. you send 100 people to this page and you're guaranteed to make a sale. Won't tell you anything like that, but it's just a number that lets you know how popular the product is with affiliates. So it only goes up based on the amount of affiliate sales. Okay, and the way they work it is really weird, but it goes up. Every affiliate that gets a sale, that gravity will go up by 0.1 to 1. Okay, 0.1 to 1 based on the frequency of affiliate sales. So all that means is if lots of affiliates are getting sales very quickly, that number will go shooting up. Okay, and it can be manipulated with things like list swaps and JVs and so on, so do bear that in mind. But the very top gravity products that are there for a while, you can be sure they're very popular with affiliates. If you're going to promote products that way, I recommend doing it off the product name, because you could promote off the product name, whether that's a review blog or whether that's through social media or even paid ads. And because that product will be so popular, that's a quick way of making sales. So that's one way of doing it. High gravity, and pretty much everything you do, that product's already well known. The downside that you have is you're going to have a lot of competition from affiliates, because it's going to be very popular with affiliates. Okay. The second way that you've got is interest. Okay, and this is one of my favorite, and that quite simply means an interest of yours. So I'll give you a really good example. Here we go. So if we went to arts and entertainment, any interest you have, and you can see a piano course telling you how to play piano. Say if you could play the piano right now watching this, then you definitely want to promote that product, because it's an interest. Okay, so you'll find it easy to sell as long as the product and the sales page is good. If you have an interest, go there. A little bit of an example for the interest-based marketing is how I built 50 Clickbank products from the ground up in lots of different niches, so all sorts of niches, but a lot of them were in the gaming niche because I had an interest. I wasn't like the world's best gamer, and I'm still not, but when I built the products, I actually got a really good gamer to help me. So for instance, I built a product around Call of Duty, and I actually got the guide created by someone that was really good at the game, so it adds loads of value. It's a really good guide, and that's the way I got round doing it that way. Okay, so that's something to bear in mind. You can do it like that, but as long as you have an interest there, you're far more likely to make sales. That's another way that you can pick a product, go for your interests. The third way, and the way that will convert the best, and I show you how to do this. Make sure that you get your free course below, because this is the way that we go through it step by step. It's free to go into, and I show you exactly how to set everything up. The third way is value. Okay, so what do I mean by value? Picking a product based on value. It's almost like interest, but it basically means any niche with a converting sales page that you can add value. And when I'm talking about value, I'm talking about actually help them before you sell. And I'll give you a really good example of this. And I actually got this example explained to me from Frank Kern. You've probably heard of him, really, really big in online marketing. And this was a perfect example, and it's a really good way to explain this. Let's say you were going to go into the dating niche, okay? How to get girls' numbers, how to get women's numbers, or how to get men's numbers, you know, depending on your preference. It doesn't matter. But let's say you got a guide that shows how to do that. Well, you could just try and sell that guide, but a really, really easy way to make sales would to be actually help them before you sell the guide. So with the dating niche, you might have a guide exactly what to say and what to do on the date to guarantee that you have a night of passion, something like that. Okay, everything that you need to say and do step by step. Well, a really good email sequence for that would be how to get a date. Okay, so if you've got a product that says exactly what to do on the date, that's great. But what if they need help with how to actually get a date, how to get girls' numbers, how to get men's numbers, whatever it is, you could help with that. And then you're actually helping, and then they'd follow the steps. And then when they get the numbers, you've got a guide that says what to do on the date, and it goes hand in hand. Another example for you might be the fitness niche area, where you're showing people how to lose weight, okay, or build muscle. And you could actually give them some exercises, some things that they could do right now for free, and then something really simple that they could do, but really good as well, really high in value, something simple. You don't want to overcomplicate it, but something really simple. And then when you go and sell the product and say, look, I hope you've tried these little exercises. Have you seen results? Did it make you feel better? If you're interested in this stuff, check out the XYZ, and that's when you're putting them towards the guide. And that's a really, really good way of actually doing it, and you'll be adding value and making sales. And you can do that with pretty much any Clickbank product. That's the way I show you how to do in the free course, so do check that out below. It will give you a totally free course. There's a video there that explains everything. It will guide you through it step by step, and it will allow you to get going and make money with Clickbank. So I think you really, really enjoy it. So do check that out. I hope you enjoyed that. A quick refresh is number one, high gravity, probably the most simple way of picking products, but the benefits of it is you can get a lot of traffic off the product name because it's so popular with affiliates. Number two is any interest. Think about your interest. Gaming niche for me was huge interest. Sports, fitness, whatever it is, go there first. Do check out products in your own niche area of interest, because that will mean something to you, and it almost ties into the third way, adding value. If it's an interest as well, you'll find it far easier to do. But if you want more help with this step by step and exactly what to do and what to do first as well, and guide you through, do check out your free course. I think you'll really, really enjoy it, and it will get you moving really, really quickly. So do check that out below. Hope you enjoyed the video. Subscribe if you did, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers, guys.